Kia ora everyone. Thanks for taking the time to review this information that we've put together for you. We just want to go over a few of the various specification platforms that we've got in Aussie and New Zealand as far as specifying Markham's products and solutions. So I'm Christine. I am the specification consultant in the New Zealand project team, and I'm joined by Alex, who can introduce himself from the Sydney office or Sydney home office at this point. So yeah, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hey everyone, I'm Alex, as Christine mentioned, and my role is very similar to Christine's over in New Zealand. Basically, what we like to do is work for architects, engineers, design managers who are looking to specify our products in their projects. There's another facet to that. If anyone's just after any more information based around what we do and how we can help, we're also always keen to chat about that as well.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, we like to get involved early on in design. That helps us work in seamlessly with you because we're going to end up going all the way through to delivery. And so that helps us identify ways that we can streamline things better at the beginning. So what I'm going to do is I'll start sharing my screen and we'll kick off with a few of the options. All right, first up, we're going to go to our Markham website. And so can you see the Markham website there? Yep, wicked. So this is the NZ version, but the Australian version is just a mirror of this. And you can, if you know what kind of product or solution you're going to be using already, you can go straight here to the Visit Product Directory section, which will take a couple of seconds. And then here you've got a run through of all of our different solutions and products. And if you click on, let's say we click on Acheron 1000, you've got a warehouse coming up, or some exposed surface. That opens that up. As you scroll down, you'll see these start to appear at the top. You can download the product info or download the specification up the top. If you carry on reading right through, there is the product information, design specification, Revit file, ArchiCAD. Where else we need to go? I'll show you our master spec platform that we utilize in New Zealand a lot. We're also available on there. Hopefully that's coming up now. Now, obviously my side of things looks different from if you're a user, but I'm just coming in as a guest at this point. And so once again, if you know what product you're looking for, you can click on products here and go NZ product database, and under my products, I've got kids playing outside, hopefully you can't hear that. Then search my products database. And then the easiest way to find a list of ours is just type in Markham, if you're not 100% sure, and then there's the list, and you can get in and start from there and add them to your specifications. Now, the other thing that we recommend that you do is get us involved in writing the work sections. And in terms of that, where I'll send you is to the training and the on-demand video training. If you're not familiar with how to open up a work section and get us involved, there's this little video how to collaborate with manufacturers within Master Spec. And so then I'll get a notification that you want some help with that. I can get in there from my end of things and I'll help you edit that up, and then you can add that directly into your specification. So hopefully that's helpful if you're not familiar with that already. There's a number of different guides there, so that will help you figure out how to utilize Markham solutions and also utilize our assistants. So I'll throw back to you, Alex, to show us a couple of the Aussie ones.
Yeah, no worries. So basically what we're trying to aim to do here is make it absolutely seamless for the clients. Basically, we want to be able to help them from an end-to-end perspective, which follows through system designs, through application, and then obviously it underpins our performance-based warranties. So we're trying to keep it all in one place so it's nice and easy, and everybody gets the maximum use out of our product, basically. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to screen share on our Archify website. Perfect. So coming in here, just from a visitor's point of view again, basically that's your platform there. We go down, it's just showing us through all the various features and options that we can do. So basically, this works very similar to what Christine was saying. You can go in there, find our products, and basically select what it is that you guys need. It's a pretty comprehensive platform in Australia. They're starting to spread their wings across to New Zealand. As Christine mentioned, it's run by the BCI group, which operates over both countries. So that's pretty cool. It was formerly under the banner of AIS, but they've combined branding now. So yeah, if you were on there before, you'll find the directory and you'll be able to see it across both platforms. So basically, you can see here, it's all click screens. You can just go in, pick what you want. It'll give you a detailed outlook as to what the product does. And then we're always there on the other end of the line to be able to speak about the products in more of an open platform. Make sure it's exactly what you guys need. So I'm just going to switch now to another platform called Spec. So here with Spec, very similar. You've got all the products listed down the left-hand side there. You can click on the links and it will take you to a more detailed version. You can put a comment in there and write something about it if required. We get a notification on these periodically, and in which case we're able to sort of follow that up and again, make sure that it's the right product for the job, and also offer any further assistance with other products that can complement maybe what you've already selected. So one more, I'm going to go into the next one's going to be the NBS platform. This is an exciting new platform. It was brought out by Spec. It comes from the UK, but they've set it up as an Australian platform now, and we're amongst the first products listed. We're confident that this is going to grow and it's going to work really well for all the Australian specifiers and designers. So if you've used NatSpec in the past, we can still help out. We're not on that platform any longer, but as mentioned, we can still sort of send out NatSpec where required. All right, so of course we're listed in other major construction platforms as well, be it Estimate One, Bid Contender, AConnX, all that sort of thing. So if there's a multiple platform that you're using that we're not, we're happy to jump on board and accept a tender from it. All we need is an invitation and we'll get the ball rolling. Have we covered everything, Christine?
Pretty much. I think just want to emphasize, if you need some one-on-one support with writing a work section with advice about which solutions are going to be right for your project, then just get in touch. We've got a number of ways. You can have a look on the website. There's a little Percy chatbot there, which it's not a human person, but we will see it as soon as you add your details into there and we can contact you. We've got our numbers on the website as well, the 0800 or the Aussie 1800. Yep. And email us, any way of reaching out. We're happy to work with you and see the best results for your project.
Absolutely. Yeah, can't stress that enough. As Christine said, if you're not sure, we're more than happy to assist. That's our job. That's what we love doing. So yeah, reach out, let us know, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.
Perfect.